Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, North Kensington local and long distance, movers near me. North Kensington residents will find our long-distance moving services perfectly suited to their needs. We specialize in transporting all types of belongings, offering white glove service for delicate items. Our team's efficient moving process ensures a quick and smooth settling into your new home. North Kensington's dynamic community deserves a moving service that's equally adaptable. We provide comprehensive packing and unpacking services, secure transportation of household and office items, efficient residential moving, custom solutions for unique moving needs, and a range of office relocation services. With us, your move in North Kensington will be as dynamic as the community. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our North Kensington moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.